Hollywood Ali here today at a High Class Auto in Canton, Connecticut. We have a beautiful 2016 Chevy Volt Premier with approximately 23,000 miles on it. It is a one-owner car. It is a local car bought at the Chevy dealer 5 miles down the road from us. It was just traded in for a brand new car. Car is black on black with a leather interior. Car in exterior wise is very clean. Tires are in great shape and have lots of tread remaining. They are Michelin tires. The wheels have zero curb rash on them. The exterior body has very to almost no flaws on it. I think there was one little chip that I need to touch up with some touch-up paint on the exterior. No door dings. I mean, the car is very clean. It's like new. Bumper has zero rashes, no scuffs. Roof is in good shape, no hail damage. Hood's in good shape, no hail damage. Interior is in excellent condition. You know, if I were to rate this car, it'd be a 10 out of 10 because it's so clean. Interior leather is clean in the back. Exterior. Now, this is a hybrid. It is a plug-in. You get 60 miles on a electric charge, so that's free gas right there. Free 60 miles of driving. Gas gauge is right there. It has a heated steering wheel. It has a lot of cool safety features, like collision alert, blind spot avoidance. It's got the blind spot right on the mirror. It also has lane assist and a parking assist. And I'm going to put a link on the video. The car self-parks itself. Yes, the car has self-parking features. So if you're an awful parallel parker, this car is for you. Dual climate control. It does have navigation. Tells you battery power. Sound system is awesome. It has satellite radio, Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth hands-free, and a really accurate backup camera. So the backup camera is super wide. Get you books and owner's manual is all here. Car is all there. I mean, this thing's like brand new. Call us today at 860-352-2530. The heated steering wheel is my favorite feature, along with that park assist on this car, because I've used both features and it works amazing. So you'll be truly a very happy car customer, another happy car customer in this car. So call us today, 860-352-2530. Hollywood Ali at High Class Auto, Canton, Connecticut.